Evet, merhaba arkadaşlar. Aysav Blood Cloths'un 5. bölümüne hoş geldiniz arkadaşlar.
So awkward.
İyi seyirler diliyorum.
Hello, Matthew.
It is. What can I do for you?
We were wondering if we could talk to you about your daughter.
Oh. Well, I suppose you'd better come in then.
Our friend recently passed away, and we felt that it might have something to do with what happened to your daughter.
Oh, well, I'm sorry to hear about your friend, but I can't see what it would have to do with Lucy.
Our friend Emily had an interest in what happened to your daughter. She had a photo of her.
Why would she be interested in someone who ran away from home?
Well, we don't know, but we were hoping that you could maybe help us.
Well, I can certainly try.
Did she talk about anything strange before she ran away?
Look, I don't see why I need to talk about this.
If you haven't heard from her in this long, do you not think that something else might have happened?
No, she's somewhere. Look, I don't know where, and for whatever reason, she doesn't want to talk to me yet. But I'm sure she'll call soon enough. Look, in my heart, I know she's fine.
Have you never thought that maybe she's not coming back?
Wasn't that bloody vicar? She is coming back. She's fine.
I don't think that's what she meant.
Look, I want both of you out of my house now.
That could have gone better.
Go on, say it.
What, that sometimes it's better to let me do the talking?
Don't you think he was a bit of a creep? The way he was looking at us.
Yeah, you managed to get a lonely guy to chuck 2 women out of his house. Quite an achievement.
Shut up. Besides, I've got an idea.
Hi. Sorry, I thought I should come and apologise for my friend's behaviour. Do you mind if I come back in?
All right, come in then.
Burada kalmıştık biz arkadaşlar. 4. bölümden buradan şimdi devam ediyoruz arkadaşlar. 5. bölümde. Ve ilerliyoruz öyle doğru şimdi. Kız bu da hatırlarsınız arkadaşlar 4. bölümde o kızın odasında kitap bulmuştu. Bir takım garip çizimler vardı.
Yes, look, I'm sorry, I probably overreacted, but it's been a terrible time for me. I mean, if you can imagine, I have to say my wife has probably made things worse. She's constantly at me for support, financial, I mean, and I just don't have it anymore, and I don't know what to do.
can't believe we just did that. I hope you found something.
I think I did.
I thought we were never going to get out of there. Did you smell the drink on him?
No. Poor guy.
Do you think this is the lake she was talking about?
That's the only one in Alexander's estate, so it must be the one she drowned herself in.
So is this where she's supposed to have drowned?
I guess.
How can you kill yourself and your child? Do you think we should be doing this?
I just want to know what Emily was thinking, why she would do it.
Do you remember what she said in her note?
About what?
Don't follow me where I'm going.
I know.
What if she meant this?
I'm gonna take a look around, see if I can find that orchard that Lucy mentioned in her diary. It's got to be near here somewhere.
I'm not going anywhere.
Gene bu bizim karşımıza çıktı bu şeytan arkadaşlar. Nereye gitsek ormandayız, gene bu şeytan bizim karşımıza çıkıyor. Koşarak Charlotte'a dön. Dikkatli ol. Dönelim arkadaşlarımıza doğru. Gidersek devam etme. Başımıza iş gelir.
Charlotte, come on. There's a pathway through the trees.
is this place?
Maybe it's the clinic Emily went to.
Ugh, gives me the creeps. Let's not stay here too long.
Wait. I think we're here.
What are you looking for?
I don't really know. Maybe let's look round the back. Maybe this is a way in.
You think this is a good idea?
Hold this.
I don't think we should be doing this.
Charlotte? She's here. Charlotte? Charlotte? Charlotte?
Evet arkadaşlar, burada bırakacağım ama 6. bölümde burada devam edeceğiz arkadaşlar. İzlediğiniz için teşekkür ederim. Like atıp abone olmak üzeresiniz arkadaşlar. Sizi seviyorum. Hoşça kalın ve bay bay.